Good morning, student. Today, topic profit and loss. This is my first video on the topic profit and loss. Here, we will discuss cost price, selling price, gain and loss. Firstly, cost price. The price of at which an article is purchased. Price at which an article is purchased, we say cost price. Selling price, the price at which an article is sold, we say selling price. Next I tell you now profit and loss. Profit, when selling price of an article is more than the cost price of article, then we have profit, SP minus CP. To find the formula to profit, SP minus CP. In loss, when selling price of an article is less than cost price, then there is a loss. So loss, find CP minus SP. Understand up to here? Now note one point. Profit or loss is always calculated on cost price, never on selling price. Calculate only cost price, not this point. Understand? Sometime you check profit given in rupees, sometime profit given in percentage. Then profit percent is equal to profit over cost price multiplied by 100. And loss percent is equal to loss over cost price multiplied by 100. Now relation between SP and CP. Relation between SP and CP. SP is equal to cost price plus profit percent of cost price. SP also we say SP is equal to cost price plus profit. When article sold in P percent of profit, then selling price is equal to cost price plus P percent of cost price. Here I tell you cost, profit and loss always calculate on cost price. Then cost price plus P percent P per 100 into cost price. Take LCM, 100 multiplied by cost price plus profit multiplied by cost price. Here cost price common. When we take cost price common, 100 plus profit over 100 into cost price. This is the formula to find the selling price is equal to 100 plus profit over 100 multiplied by cost price. Understand beta? Similarly, selling price, then 100 minus loss over 100 into cost price. Here I tell you for formula. Number one, profit is equal to SP minus CP. Second, loss is equal to CP minus SP. Profit percent is equal to profit over cost price multiplied by 100. Loss percent is equal to loss over cost price multiplied by 100. SP is equal to 100 plus profit over 100 multiplied by cost price. SP is equal to when loss given 100 minus loss over 100 multiplied by cost price. Now we discuss one question. Dinesh buy an article for 65 rupees and sells it for 72 rupees 80 paise. Find his profit or loss. Find his profit and loss. Check, here we have given cost price is equal to 65 rupees. And selling price is equal to 72 rupees 80 paise. Understand? SP is greater than CP. SP is more than CP. Then we have profit SP minus CP. 72 rupees 80 paise minus 65. All of you subtract this. Then profit is equal to 7 rupees 80 paise. Now find profit percent. He say find the profit percent. If he say find the selling price, then we use selling price formula. Here से find the profit percent. अब हमने कौन सा formula use करना है? How to find the profit percent? Profit over cost price multiply by 100. Profit 7 rupees 80 paise, cost price 65 rupees multiply by 100. Beta decimal break 780 upon 100 multiply by 65 into 100. 100 cancel by 100. 13 5 is 65. 13 6 is 78. 12 5 is 60. Answer is equal to 12%. Up to here, any problem? One question for you. Find loss percent if an item was brought for rupees 721 and sold for rupees 700. This is for you. Understand? Now we discuss next question, my next video. Thank you very much.